Hello and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I've got some scrumptious ingredients. 2 lovely free-range eggs, 2 rashers of bacon and 2 slices of bread. I'm going to cook all of them on this piece of plate with a frying pan. I think we'll do the eggs first. Ah! Let's try with last week's frying pan. A beautiful fried egg. Now for the bacon. I'll put a bit of oil in the pan and then the bacon. Our bacon is now completed. Next, the toast. The bread I can put on a little stick and then toast over the coals. If it's taking too long, you can always turn the fan on. If your bread is a little crusty, I'll show you a tip to get rid of the excess carbon. And there you have it. Toast, bacon and an egg.